Hi, my name is Logan.
Hi, my name is Dylan.
Hi, my name is Madison.
Here at Central Middle School, we are getting ready for the cold season, which means indoor sports.
We have boys basketball right up until Christmas break with 3 home games. December 9th against Weston, 13th versus Aragon and Umatilla, and 16th versus Riverside. Girls basketball starts right after break, along with boys and girls wrestling.
For our musical fans, the band concert is at 6:30 p.m. on the 10th of December, and the choir concert is at 6:30 p.m. on the 17th, both at the Mackay Auditorium.
We have a few dress-up days coming up, including December 17th. I'm wishing for a snow day. And White Lies dress-up. Make sure you wear all white. There's also a pep assembly on the 17th.
Our final dress-up day will be on December 19th, 'tis the season. You can wear ugly Christmas sweaters or anything Christmas related.
We have our skiing and snowboarding program called Snow Pioneers. The fundraising is happening now. There will be 1 trip in January and 3 in February.
This year is also a big year for Central Dual Language, with the long-awaited trip to Spain during spring break.
Central Middle School has so much to do this winter, and we're so excited to face the rest of the school year.